Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to part 2 of wrapping the Tesla Model 3 in red color, going from red color to the Avery Dennison matte charcoal gray color. As you can see, if you guys watched the part 1, I already have the car prepared, disassembled, everything is good to go. This part 2 is going to be the whole wrapping process. Again, most of it is going to be time lapse, but as you can see, the car is already disassembled. I got my magnets holding on the wrap, got my tape to name each panel, fresh squeegee ready, pen, wrapping glove, fresh blade, and my tucking tools, and got my heat gun ready to go. This is the Avery Dennison matte charcoal color. We're gonna be doing that, and along with that, we're gonna be doing the black trimming, which is gonna be at the end, but I'm gonna put you guys on tripod and we're gonna get started. So as you guys just saw that I cut all the panels, top pillar, driver door, passenger door, and that was just the extra. One, two, three. Wow, it worked. So what's up, you guys? Checking back in is about 12:26 in the morning. Been at it for roughly about 5 hours now. I'm gonna show you guys what I've done. So the front fender is done on the driver side, the door, driver door, driver passenger door, the top roof, and the quarter panel, the whole thing, and done in one piece. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to day number 2 of wrapping the Tesla Model 3. I used this 3M wheel to clean up the 3M tape that's in the back of the emblems. Got the hood done, I got the passenger front fender done, and then I also got the trunk piece done. I did the whole trunk in one giant piece. As you can see, there's no seam right here. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to day number 3. Today we're going to be focusing on the back bumper, and then we're also going to be focusing on the passenger side rear quarter panel and the top pillar. So what's up, you guys? This is the final day. Customer is coming right now to pick up the car, but it's done. So let's see it. Well, hold up, not yet. First we're gonna do the roll into the montage, then we're gonna do it. Here it is, the finished product, wrapped in Avery Dennis matte charcoal gray color. Customer wanted to do the black lip in the front, PPF both of the headlights and the fog lamps, clean the wheels, ceramic coated the whole car. As you can see, I just tested it out because I left it on for a whole night. The whole car, blacked out all the trimming. Badges are back on. Everything looks good. The wheels, actually I love the silver wheel that goes with the car, and here it is. It's pretty nice. I love the white interior on this one, especially with this color. It looks really good. So yeah, fully detailed inside out. Clean the wheels, tire shine, ceramic coating, all the chrome into the black, satin black color, well, along with the camera, top trimming, and also did So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you guys like this part 2 of the videos. I'm having a couple more cars in for PPF and more color change, so I'll be sure to make those videos and put it on YouTube for you guys. So catch you guys on the next one. Again, if you guys anywhere from Milwaukee or Chicago area, hit me up at Unique Wraps 414 Instagram for any wrapping, for any PPF or ceramic coating. Yeah, so hit me up Thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video.